What's up, guys? We're at the farm. We're getting ready to start a little fire, and we got a nice little project we're going to work on. You guys ever seen one of these? You ever seen that? Atomic lighter? I've seen it on TV. One out. Look at that. Missed it. Fail after fail. Try again. All the gas burned off. Dang, nabbit. There we go. Fresh piece. There we go. Go on, man.
Two city guys trying to light a fire.
I never said I was a Boy Scout. I just know how to kill stuff. What's up, guys? Say what's up, Chris.
Hey guys.
We're out here at the property. We got a nice little fire kicking on here. We got some wood. I posted a picture yesterday on social media. Had some barrels, some wood and everything, and asked you guys what we thought we were going to build. Well, this old barn shed here type thing was on the property. It was left here from 30, 40, 50, 60 years ago. We're actually going to take some plywood and build a roof off of this side here, and we're going to build a rain water collection system. There's no water out here at all on the property. I have no water source, so I got 3 55-gallon drums, and we're going to use what we built here, and we're going to use that to fill these barrels up. That way when I come out to the property, I have a water source, because I need water for spraying antler grow. I need water, to wash my hands, whatever the case may be. And the good thing about collecting rainwater is it's full of nitrogen. So every time I go to spray antler grow, the food plots and natural browse, I'm spraying it with rainwater. It's going to be full of nitrogen, so everything will be bling.
That thing will wear you out.
So the plan is we have to dig 2 holes and down about a foot, I guess, bury the 4x4, concrete it in, and then we'll go from there. So most likely I'll end up setting the camera up on time-lapse mode. We'll do some videos of us cutting the wood and show you guys how we do it. Never done it before. We're kind of winging it. Doesn't have to be nothing fancy. We're rednecks, so at least I am. I don't know what he is. What are you?
City.
City. All right, so we got the 4x4s concreted into the ground. Nothing special. We're just trying to get this up. Both holes dug. And we got a 4x4 to run across from here to there. We're gonna level it up. That'll be for our gutter. Then we can put some braces in the center, and then we can get to it. What do you think?
It'll work.
All right. There we go, guys. We got the front on, roof trusses. We're going to secure this part to the back to the old barn, and then we'll be good to go. Throw the plywood. We got plywood here. We'll throw on, and then we'll run the gutter across the top. Put the downspout on, and then we'll set the barrels on there, and then see what we got. Alright guys, you can see, because I know somebody's going to comment on this and say, we did it wrong, it's crooked, or something like that. If you look at it, it really is an optical illusion. It actually looks crooked. We'll come over this way. Level. So it is an optical illusion. All right guys, we are back. What we got the extension ladder. We got to finish screwing down the roof. So I'm going to set some cinder blocks up here to kind of set the barrels in place, see where they're at. And I'm not going to hook them up today. We're going to come back another weekend, probably next weekend, and hooking the actual barrels up will be a separate video. Work perfectly fine. If you guys want to do this, I'll leave a material list down in the description. You guys can, do it that way. We literally just rigged this up. I mean, it's nothing special whatsoever, but it'll do the job. We got the gutter, pitched down, and it'll fill the barrels up perfectly fine. If you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever done anything like this before, or what your water source is on your property. See you guys next time.